Guys, here is your girl again, Black and Lovely, and welcome and Merry Christmas to everyone out there. And today I wanna show you guys, because most of you maybe you back with your family, get together, eat good food, and have fun, and you eat extra, and sometimes you really don't know whether you should eat or no, it's bad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys the secret of this. You can eat everything you want, but make sure in the morning you do something for yourself to put your body in order, in order to go to the toilets and feel good. So I'm gonna make a smoothie. It's a very simple. We're gonna have 6 ingredients, and which it is papaya, and we have kiwi, and we have avocado. Avocado is something I really hated when I was young, because we always eat that like almost every day. Our grandmother made sure we ate that every day. I didn't know at the time, but now I know what is the reason that the avocado is good for us, to protect us against a lot of health issues. It helps you, and it's if you can eat avocado just a day, it'll be perfect. Okay, we have avocado, then we have ginger, then we have honey is here. We did have these, and I always love it. I have like maybe 10 of them because I don't use sugar, and sugar is not my thing, so I try to. People with a high blood pressure, for example, is a thing to use, So we have honey. It's actually new. You see how it looks like. Do this before, and I know it works, and that's why I'm here to tell you guys you can use it. I always wanna tell my people what is the best for your body, for your skin. I always talk about the skin. I always talk about your energy. I always talk about negativity. Sometimes you will wake up, you have that just a bad energy. We're gonna blend it. I wanted to put lemon, but actually I could not, because we have milk here, and but also lemon is a very good thing to use it early in the morning. And if you can do 2 lemons a day and just put it in warm water, it will be good. But I don't have it here, but I have it on my stock, so you know what I mean. So let's do this. Okay guys, now we have put everything on it, and you can tell everything is fresh. And this the fruits, you just have to have maybe 10 euros or maybe 10 pounds, and you're good to go. You don't have to have a lot of money. We have the honey. Okay, it's honey in German, but yeah, you just put 1 of the spoon of it. You see how it is. It's like, oh wow, really beautiful. So just put 1 spoon of it. This spoon, and then milk. And let's see how it's gonna be like. See? It just looks perfect. So again, I've already explained to you guys, if you go back home and you eat extra, just try to, you can eat it, you don't have to blend it if you don't have a blender, because up countries in Africa sometimes we don't have such stuff, but you can try just to make it like a salad and just be some fruits, right? Because I have a blender and I can blend it, and you can see how it looks like. Yeah, so let's do this. This is our blender, and this is how it works. Let's go. Put a little bit of milk. tell when something is not okay, done. So let's see with this smoothie how we're gonna be tasting. I always have oh my, you know what? I'm good to go for a night. I don't even need food. I don't need meat. I don't need nothing, you know, because maybe last night you've been eating. So this is what it's supposed to be. Bye guys. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.